Hey, welcome back to this tutorial. This is another What the Tech tutorial with me, Sarah Michaels. This one happens to be a teachable tech tutorial and showing you how you can create not just create, but how you can assign affiliate status to one of your courses. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, but we're also going to talk a little bit about why you may want to do that, why that's helpful for you building, and what to set the affiliate commission rate at, and so on. By the way, if you are brand new here and you're watching this video somewhere, remember to head on over to sarahmichaels.com. Nope, not this one. sarahmichaels.com. If you don't yet have a Teachable account and you'd like one, I have put something together called the Vault, which is where I'm keeping. So if you click on the Resources tab, the Vault is my free resource center. I don't even make you sign up for my email list in order to get it. You just create like a little, like a free membership account for the site, which is pretty awesome. So if you click on the Vault, this is where all of my resources are that I'm using for my business. If you go down to the course creator thing here. So let's see here, where is it? Oh, I don't see it in here. Yeah, there it is. So Teachable. Okay, so if you click on the Teachable thing in there, I will have the best deal for you on a pro account. So that being said, in order to activate the affiliate portion of Teachable, you do need the pro account, which is $99 per month, which is totally doable. Like, oh my gosh. And if you're like, oh, I can't do that yet, I don't know how to blah, get in one of the courses and we'll teach you how to sell and how to make that up in your first month so that the $99 is no problem. Okay. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I want you to log into Teachable. So if I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing this, if I go to my Teachable thing, it already keeps me logged in. So you can see if you're logged in already, you'll just be able to click on the admin bar. Otherwise, if you go to teachable.com, you'll be able to sign in. So once I click on admin, it will take me here. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to click on the users tab of your site. Okay, so click on users. This will bring up a list of all of the registered students, members, whatever. If you're running if you're running a membership site, you can run that on Teachable, which is pretty cool. It will charge them recurring. I dive into that in another training. Or if you have a course. So as you can see here, I have a VIP community. I have courses available. So when someone graduates from one of my courses, or inside, if they're part of this, my Co-Creating Queens VIP community, I have an ambassador program, which is an affiliate program. Okay, so when someone signs up for the annual membership for this community, they unlock a 33% affiliate rate, which is a pretty good rate. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go in here, and I'm just for the thing here, I'm going to show you on my own. I have a business email account, and I just signed up with my personal one just so I could show you the example. Okay, so click on the student. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you'll be able to select, you have to turn this little thing on. So turn that on. This is their affiliate code and link. Okay, so this is their affiliate link. This is the link that will go, and I'll show you. Okay, when you have an affiliate user and they enter their little thing in here, this is their personal thing where they can refer people to your school or whatever you're offering, and then they can select it. Now, here's the thing. As far as setting affiliate commissions, at this time, and I just asked, unfortunately, there can only be one commission rate per student. Okay, so they can only get one commission rate. It's set, it's across the board, it can't change. So the kind of, I guess I don't really want to say sucky, but the kind of To me, I would very much like to see this be a feature where you could like set a different rate for the same student for different courses, but you can't do that right now. So set your affiliate commission. Now, depending on the user, I would recommend setting the affiliate commission rate at anywhere from like maybe 10 to 20%, depending on the type of student. Okay, so some of mine who are in like a higher level, like my high vibe mastermind, I give them access to a higher affiliate rate just because they're involved in more of my stuff. Like they're paying me $12,000 every 6 months. So the least I could do is give them a higher affiliate rate. Okay, so some of those I have set at 33 and even 44%, depending on what level they're at. Okay, so as far as setting your affiliate commission rate go down to, for example, if you're selling a $197 course and you have a 10% affiliate rate, that person would earn $19.70. If you set the commission rate at 25%, if you have a $197 course times 0.25, they would earn $49.50. That's a pretty good affiliate rate. If you set it too low, it's almost like meh. So I think if you're just getting started, I think 25% is probably a good place to start at. Like that's a quarter of it. It's saving when someone's referring people, you have to think. I know there's so many people who are like, I don't want to pay somebody else. Okay, you got to get out of that mindset. Okay, you got to get out of that. You're like, no, I don't want to pay somebody else. I want to keep all my profits. And I see so many people who have super high potential and they never open up an affiliate program because they don't want to profit share. And it's just like, to me, that is the most ridiculous thing. Okay, you have to understand how you're going to grow is you're either going to pay advertising costs or you're going to pay for affiliates. Okay? Those are the two growth methods, and you can combine them, right? You can have advertising and affiliates. But what I have found is that when someone is an affiliate or you open up an affiliate program, you are more likely to get sales, have higher conversions that end up sticking around because that person who's an affiliate is essentially like a bridge. This is what I talk about in my accelerator programs if you've been around a little bit. So I just want you to be open to that and understanding that as you open up ways for people to earn and share, it is going to come back to you in the form of referrals, and your business will actually grow. So yes, you might have to share 25% of the profits, but it's awesome because you are putting people on a trajectory of being aligned with the same interests. And when you have multiple people aligned with the same common goal, you go further faster. Okay, so affiliate programs are awesome. Paying out affiliates is awesome. Now, when should you assign someone as an affiliate? I personally recommend that they have either put some skin in the game. Okay, if you have a membership site, I do not recommend that you just allow any of them to become an affiliate. Why? Because they might not appreciate the program, especially if it's at the more basic of your offerings. So, for example, my VIP membership community, which you saw, Co-Creating Queens, is only $44 a month. Now, in order to access the affiliate program, they have to sign up as a for an annual membership. That's the only way they can access the affiliate program. You got to pay to play, baby. Okay. That's just how I think of things, anyways. Okay, so the basic annual CCQ membership, this is where I'm giving access to the affiliate program. Okay, yeah, affiliate programs are really, really, really cool way to make money. So I definitely recommend opening that up. Okay, so once you set the affiliate commission rate, so let's just say we're going to set it at 25%. What you can do is you can restrict access. Okay, so that means just because somebody has, joined your CCQ community, it doesn't mean that they can refer someone to like the accelerator program. Like, for example, my accelerator program is $2,997. So obviously, I am not going to set a 33% referral rate on the 90-day accelerator. That would be really, really stupid. I would be losing a lot of money because I've already taken the knowledge that I was previously, only selling to one-on-one high paying clients and turning it into like a pretty, as far as like investment into a total education system goes, this is a pretty low ticket offer. Like, yes, it's 2,997 right now. Um, but I don't want to like profit share 33% of that. No. So if I have a higher ticket item, I'm setting my affiliate rate lower, okay, and having them just, anyways, long story short, we'll go into that in a separate video, okay? So like what to actually do with a student who has separate commissions and how you can still pay them. But not, so if your average affiliate commission is 25%, let's just see for kicks and giggles what 25% of 2,997 would be. 2,997 times 0.25. So that would be $749.25 that someone would be earning from a referral into the accelerator program. What? Crazy, right? Yeah. All right. Anyways, so I hope this was at least slightly helpful and you didn't just get the like setup, but some of like the mindset stuff into having affiliates for your courses, why it's beneficial, how to do it, how to set it. In the next video, if you're interested, we will go over how to set different rates for the same student. Okay. And this is just what I found so far, because you can't actually do it like through Teachable. So I'm kind of like hacking it and figuring it out and sharing what I'm figuring out. So thanks for watching. I will see you later.